Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we're gonna start by applying a base onto the eyelids. I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond today. For eyeshadows today, I'm going to use the Design Katy Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors. This was actually my first time using anything from Dose of Colors, and I was really surprised by how amazing their shadows were. I followed them on Instagram now for a few years, and I can't believe it took me this long to finally try their products. Anyways, what I'm doing here is I'm just applying the shade Churro in my crease, and I'm using a fluffy blending brush to apply it. Now I'm gonna go in with this darker brown shade called Cheens, and I'm going to add this one in the crease and the outer corners as well to make the look more dark and smoky. And like I said before, these eyeshadows are really great quality, so you only need a little bit of product on the brush. Here I'm just adding a little bit of Churro and Cheens onto my lower lash line as well. Now I'm gonna go in and cut the crease with the Inglot Gel Eyeliner in the shade 94. So I'm using a flat concealer brush to create the cut crease, but really there's no reason for me to do this because my eyes are so deep set that you can't even see if I have a cut crease or not. But if you have normal eyes, then you can definitely do this. Once I have the shape that I like, I'm gonna go in with the shade Dirty Money from the eyeshadow palette and press that on top of the liner base, and this is such a beautiful greeny gold shade. Now for my inner corners, I'm gonna go in with the shade Just a Kiss and highlight. Because I'm going to be applying false lashes later, I'm now just applying a very thin line of the Fenty Flyliner in the shade Cause I'm Black onto my lash line. Since this look is already pretty dramatic, I thought why not go all out and add some black into the outer corners as well. So I ended up adding a little bit of Noir eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but this is totally optional, you don't have to do this. Next I'm going to tightline and line my waterline with the Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil in the shade Wicked. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with a little bit of black eyeshadow onto my lower lash line so it's not as harsh. Then I'm just gonna go in with some mascara and my favorite lashes from Feline Lashes in the style Russian Blue. And that is actually all for this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!